trains, same track. Terrible accident. This is the story of the 1910 4th of July train accident, celebrating 250 years. So the engines in question are number 638 and number 608. Yeah, so number 608 was leading a C-D&H road freight train, and the Big Four was hauling its own passenger train, but little did they know that they caught sight of one another, and everything happened from there. However, they caught sight of one another. It was too late to wait. It was enormous. Let's just pretend that the cab is not there. In fact, the impact was so forceful that, quote, engine number 638 slammed its tender on the back of the car, causing all of these cars to be pushed right behind it. Unfortunately, though, number 638, the engine right behind the passenger train, since the freight cars, however, since the cars were roamed on that opposite side of the rail, the coach decided, hey, why not slam into the back of number 638? Because the tender slammed into the back of number 648, splintering the wood, splintering everywhere. However, the coaches mostly stayed intact, but one of them rolled on the opposite side of the tracks, knocking up against the freight train. It still haunted the city of Middletown, Ohio to this day. And what lessons learned about this accident? First of all, for the train speeds. Now in America, trains go fast as around 79 miles an hour. Sorry guys, I missed this. Anyways, trains are no longer able to reach higher speeds. So that's one of the causes of the wreck. And also poor communication, what was also taken from the specific accident. And we hope that another accident does not occur again, eerily similar to what happened on July 4th, 1910. Many people died from this tragic accident that occurred on the 4th of July. Anyways, this is the second to last video before my live stream. So anyways, enjoy my live stream and have a great day, and also have a great 4th of July special.